this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Beauty of Tomorrow bundle and Blackberry Beauty Designer Series paper. Here is the Beauty of Tomorrow bundle that is part of the Blackberry Beauty suite. The suite includes this gorgeous Designer Series paper, this ribbon, and then there is the beautiful ephemera pack with owls and leaves and different tags and branches and gold. So pretty. So there's 2 sheets of that as well. And they're already cut, so you can just pop them out and add them to your cards. There's also the gold shimmer vellum, 2 sheets of 12 by 12. So pretty and shiny. I love it. But I am going to focus today on the Designer Series paper. It is definitely the star of the suite, in my opinion. It's gorgeous, and it has gold on one side of each of the designs. So you've got these beautiful birds. I just thought of something. I wonder if the bird, you can cut out any of the birds. Aha! Maybe this one? No, not quite. Maybe this one? Aha! Right there. You can cut out the bird with the die. That's so fun when they do that. So then now I wonder if you can cut out any of the flowers. And then there's a bunch of leaves, gold, and owls. More gold, and then this pretty paper right here that I'm going to use in this card. So I decided I didn't want to like completely cut up this paper design because it is gorgeous. You can't really see it in the catalog here on page 45, but it's super pretty. It has all of these flowers, and I used the tailor-made tags dies to cut 3 dies or 3 tags out. I used the second largest die, and I also used the reinforcers. They're very helpful if you are tying ribbon. Otherwise, the Designer Series tends to want to rip. So definitely use those reinforcers when you're making these tags. And then I have also used the free bedazzling paper 6x6 that you can get for free with any $50 order. There are 8 sheets, and so I just cut off a piece right here. So this piece is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then this piece of Designer Series paper is 2 1/2 by 5 1/4. And this card definitely has a lot of bling to it because I've not only added the bedazzling paper, but I've embossed the bird in gold to match the gold on the paper. And I'm using that beautiful gold ribbon. So let's put the card together by adhering the Designer Series paper down first. So I'm going to put this piece on the left side, and then this bedazzling paper on the right. So pretty. And then I've already cut out the tags and put the reinforcers on them. Whoops. So now I can put them hopefully in order here so that you can still see the picture of the Designer Series paper here. And I'm just going to add some bows to them. So or not bows, just like ribbon. So I'd cut it at about 4 or 5 inches and definitely on a point. And so you can pull one point through at a time, carefully, so it doesn't rip, so that the paper doesn't rip. And then you're going to even these up so they're the same length and pull them almost all the way through. You still want a little bit of a loop here, so that maybe a little bit more. My fingers can't quite do teeny tiny. So that you can put both pieces of ribbon through and then gently pull. This is the part where it ripped on me. So I'm gonna pull this side first, and you see how it kind of points down, and then I'll point it back up, and there we go. And this is a easy way to tie your ribbon on a tag. And then I'm just going to trim it way down. And then this one's ready to be put on the card. So I'm gonna do the ribbon for the next two pieces as well. All right, so now that I've got the ribbon on all three pieces, I'm gonna make sure I keep them in order here. And I'm gonna put some dimensionals on them. Actually, a lot of dimensionals on them. All right, isn't that gorgeous? And I thought it would be fun to add the bird up here in this open negative space. So I've embossed the bird in gold on early espresso paper. So I'm gonna do a little bit of fussy cutting because I was a little bit off when I die cut it. And so I feel like it's a little bit uneven. So I'm just gonna try to even it out a little bit here. A little bit better. So even if it doesn't quite cut the way you want it to, you can just go back and trim it. Follow the same line as the die cut. Okay, I think that's better, a little bit better. And then let's just add a mini dimensional to it. And we'll just add the bird right there. So pretty. I'm offering a free card kit on the Beauty of Tomorrow bundle as part of the Blackberry Beauty Suite. 6 cards, 2 designs each when you place a $50 order on my website using my current host code. And then just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on the Beauty of Tomorrow bundle. That's part of the Blackberry Beauty Suite. I hope you check out my other videos as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.